Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable Bitmoji keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay, first of all, you can go to your settings application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And then you're going to scroll down until you find digital management setting. Tap on the setting. Then you're going to click on the Samsung keyboard setting, this one. Okay, and here we can scroll down until we find the select third-party content to use. Alright, and here you can activate your Bitmoji keyboard. You just need to click on this toggle button to activate it. Sorry. Alright, and now the Bitmoji keyboard has been activated, and that's how we can enable Bitmoji keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.